Dawat is the lifeblood of this ummah. Dawat is the wazifa of this ummah. Anbiya was sent for dawat. Allah's qasam, this ummah was sent for dawat. Inna arsalnaka shahido wa mubashshiro wa nadhira wa da'iyan ila Allah bi'iznihi wa sirajan munira. We have sent you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as a witness, as a giver of glad tidings, as a warner, wa da'iyan ila Allah, as a da'i to Allah. Lifted up, and a voice called out from the unseen, طوفوا به مشارق الأرض ومغاربها ليعرفوا باسمه ونعته وصورته. Take this child to the east and to the west. Let the entire creation come to know the name of my Nabi. Let them come to know the beauty, the nobility, the status, the attributes of my Nabi. وَأَعْطُوهُ خُلُقَ آدَمْ وَمَعْرِفَةَ شِيث وَشُجَاعَةَ نُوح وَخُلَّةَ إِبْرَاهِيم وَاسْتِسْلَامَ إِسْمَاعِيل وَفَصَاحَةَ صالح وَحِكْمَةَ لوط ورضا إسحاق وبشرى يعقوب وشدة موسى وجهاد يوشع وحب دانيال ووقار يونس وطاعة إلياس وصبر أيوب ولحن داود وعصمة يحيى وزهد عيسى واغمسوه في أخلاق النبيين. Grant him the akhlaq of Adam alayhi salam, the ma'rifat of Shis alayhi salam, the bravery of Noah alayhi salam, the friendship of Ibrahim alayhi salam, the sacrifice of Ismail alayhi salam, the eloquence of Salih alayhi salam, the wisdom of Lut alayhi salam, the contentment of Ishaq alayhi salam, the glad tidings of Yaqub alayhi salam, the strength of Musa alayhi salam, the jihad of Yusha alayhi salam, the love of Daniel alayhi salam, the reverence of Yunus alayhi salam, the obedience of Ilyas alayhi salam, the voice of Dawood alayhi salam, the sabr of Ayyub alayhi salam, the abstinence of Yahya alayhi salam, the piety of Isa alayhi salam. وَغْمِسُوهُ فِي أَخْلَاقِ النَّبِيِّينَ, and anoint him with the akhlaq of 124,000 Anbiya alayhimus salatu wassalam.
Allahu Akbar.